It only takes one message from one client to change your life. You might be down on your feet wondering where the next food is gonna come from. And then next month, you're earning like $7,000 out of nowhere. You're like, wait, what the hell happened? I thought I was born to be a peasant and eat from the trash. Now I'm like a baller. What happened? You know what happened, my friend? You finally got your first and second and third video editing client. That's what happened. I know this because that was me, man. Now you know what I'm saying? Why should I listen to this guy? Well, not to brag, but I have over 100 million verified views on YouTube. Work with tons of clients with over 1 million subs.
Tuna's been a great editor.
Tuna is a good editor.
But the thing is, for me to get from homeless to $6,000 to $7,000 a month took me longer than a month because, well, I was stupid. I didn't know what I was doing. So you better listen up because in this video I'm going to tell you exactly why you are not getting video editing clients and how to get video editing clients and become a chat editor. That's right, I'm rebranding this channel. So if you want to become a chat editor like me, just a boss, you know, I'm not going to tell you to subscribe because it's way too early in the video, but you know. Alright, let's get into it. I want you to think of getting video editing clients like a trap Wile E. Coyote would set up. You push the switch and then the TNT explodes, that kind of like cartoon crap. Now, if any of this stuff does not work or is faulty, we simply cannot use the trap, in our case, kill Roadrunner, or make money. Same thing somehow. So there are three main components that go into getting a high-paying video editing client. And if you are not getting clients, it most likely means that you suck at one of them. So let's dive into the first and the simplest one. And number one would be your show reel or your portfolio. And some people might ask, what is the difference between a portfolio or a show reel? A show reel is like a 30-second video where you show your skills, and a portfolio would be like mine where I show the clients that I work with and how many views it got. And my portfolio has over 100 million views, so that's pretty fucking good. Now, chances are that you got no portfolio at all, and that's fine. You know, a baby is born, he doesn't fucking come out the womb like Usain Bolt just running. He starts by crawling. So the best thing that you could do right now is to make your show reel, and you might be like, hey, how do I make a show reel? Here are some short examples of really eye-catching show reels that I can show you. Now you might be like, okay, I've got a portfolio, but who do I send it to? Which takes us back to our analogy. Now the Wile E. Coyote thing. The cable, that's our lead generation, which is a fancy word of saying getting clients. Now there are tons of ways of getting video editing clients that I show my students in my school community, but this is a YouTube video, so I'm just going to show you three simplest ways to get clients, and we're going to start from the hardest, but the simplest, to the easiest, but it's just going to be a lot more complex. Again, if you want to guarantee where to get clients, just hit the link in my description. I teach you everything. So starting at number one, the first place that you can get clients, this is just like level 0, like in a video game lobby. You got the fucking level 100 big guys, and then you got the level 0, just tiny specks of dust. That's like Discord and Twitter. What you can do is join video editing Discord servers. Now, I do recommend you the Finstar Discord server. I've gotten 3 jobs this week from it, which is pretty cool. And the other that I would recommend is my one that I've just made. So join there if you are looking for an editor or if you're looking for a client. And Twitter, what you can do is to search on Twitter looking for editor, and that's level 1. And once that happens, you gotta become a chat editor, making that Wi-Fi dough. Now, don't click off just yet, because what I'm going to tell you will be the difference between $50 and $5,000 that you can earn. Again, please listen to this part and don't do my mistakes, because there's been clients that I've worked with only once, and there's been clients that I've worked with for literally like over a year, 2 years at this point. Because clients need videos pretty much every day, every week, every month, and if they don't like what you deliver them, yeah, they might pay you, but they will only pay you once and they'll just find someone else. Yeah, you made it past like all these Mission Impossible laser stuff, you went through that, you got to Diamond, and then somehow you just smashed it on the ground. What's going on? well, the video you've done was shit, my friend. I'm sorry. But it might not just be your video. It might be your speed and communication. You know, you just maybe don't reply to what they say or are super slow. And then the client's gonna be like, hey, you know, this guy's alright, but like I can't work with him. But on the flip side, if you do a good job, you're highly communicative, you're pretty fast, you will get more jobs because the client will trust you more, will know about your skills, and you're like, hey, this guy's pretty alright, I'm gonna give him more jobs. For example, one of my current clients liked my work and it was like, you know what, man, let's do 2 videos a week. And just like that, my income from that one client doubled overnight with just one decision. That's like an extra 800. Now, if I wasn't on time and I wasn't good at communicating, now my videos were crap, that would not happen. What would happen is we just stop working, and that happened to me before. So be a good fucking editor. You know, that's what we're trying to be chat editors here. Now, with that being said, I'd like to welcome and congratulate you to this channel called Chat Editor. This is the channel where I teach you how to become a chat editor, meaning you're gonna know how to edit videos good. You're gonna know how to get paid good. You know, I'm gonna teach you how to talk to clients, how to find clients, how to edit videos, how to do vlog videos, talking head videos, how to do After Effects, all that stuff. And I want you to become a chat editor. That's the premise. And my name's Tuna. I'm not Chad. You are the chat editor because you're watching this video. And if you want more videos, just hit like, subscribe. I mean, you don't have to. I'll post regardless. I don't care what you think. I mean, I do, but you know, I care more about what I think.